Welcome to a magical world. Today, we're drawing and coloring a beautiful unicorn horse. Let's start with a simple sketch, its graceful body. Flowing mane, and of course the magical horn. Time to bring our unicorn to life with bright, dreamy colors. What colors would you choose? A few final touches, and our magical unicorn is ready to shine. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings.